Alright, what's up guys? Chris and I are here. We're about to work on Tina's E30. You saw us power wash this before. We're gonna paint the valve cover and stuff here soon. We're gonna switch out the belts, the water pump. We gotta take off the pulley and shit. We're gonna weld the oil pump nut on real quick, or just put a little tack on it, because I guess those are coming to back out. And then yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, we got to put on the other oil pan, so we'll do that as well. It's over here because it's going in an E30 and you swap. Take out the old baffle, we'll put in this new Achilles Motorsports baffle. Clean up this shit right here. Yep. We got a Stewart water pump right here. Should flow a little bit more than stock. We have some stuff to clean up in here. Probably gonna remove this bracket for the cruise control. Want to get rid of the ABS, but we'll probably keep that for now. We're gonna try and keep air conditioning, so really just cleaning up the cross member. We have another steering rack we're about to put in. I gotta power wash that. You guys might see me take it to the car wash and just do that. Fuck it. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh, gotta remove the brake booster and swap in the other brake booster. We gotta swap in the pedals. So yeah, there's a lot of shit we gotta do actually. We gotta cut the firewall behind the steering shaft here, or where the steering shaft goes in, because I guess with the E36 one it actually hits or something. I'm not sure, because it's an airbag car. So but yeah, it's on the agenda. We have a list up here, and we're gonna start doing that. You ready, boyo? Alright, anyways guys, first thing you're gonna do is pop these little plastic things off. They should just, well, I'm trying to do this one here. Yeah, they should just pop right off real quick. And then you get access to these, you loosen those, and you pop your belts off. Pretty fucking easy, eh? Pulling it off?
Yeah, there's something like that.
If you look, is there any cracks in it, or was it?
It looks pretty decent. I mean, it's still fucking warped though.
Oh no, dude, there's definitely could be in better shape. So yeah, obviously, might as well do this. So here you pop the pulley off. It was on here.
I just popped it with a screwdriver.
You just popped it off with a screwdriver. You pop that off, you'll get access to the nuts around the water pump. You loosen those or take them off, and then the water pump should come off. Alright, well, I don't think we're gonna be able to wobble it off. Oh, maybe. After, oh, she still got cool in there, boy.
Yeah, let's get that on camera, dude.
Well, I knew that was gonna happen, but
yeah, boy. We're fucking prepared out here in the streets. Kinda got a pee now.
So I went and grabbed razor blades from the house. You can see I started scraping the old gasket off here. There's some, you can see it's all shitty, but you just want to gently go, and you don't want to dig into it or nothing. You can see all this shit on the razor blade. But I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna put the other water pump back on. Alright, so we got it mostly cleaned up in here. I'm gonna clean it a little more. Clean it with some brake cleaner in a second. Then we're gonna go ahead and take the water pump and put a little bit of this gasket maker on the outside. You don't really need a gasket because there's a rubber seal around it, so we'll just use a little bit just to be safe. We're gonna go ahead and put this puppy on. Alright, so while we have this pulley off, you can see it's pretty shitty looking. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat of black on her just so it looks a little nice on the outside. Throw her back on, get the belts on, and yeah. Alright, we're just gonna use this, whatever was laying around. I like high performance, so we should be solid. Says it dries in 15 minutes, so go ahead and give her a good shake. Yeah, the pulley over here in the grounds. I already wiped it down, brake cleaner and shit. So. Good enough. Alright, my buddy Luke, who showed us how to weld, is about to come over. I'm about to hit this right here with the cutoff wheel or grinder or something, and take this baffle out, and then we can get the new one in there. Alright, you can see we hit her there. We kind of just use the disc there. Let's see if we can pop her off real quick. Yep. Alright, well, that was easy enough. That's out. You can see I ground her down a bunch. So now we got the Achilles baffle. Achilles Motorsports, so this bad boy gets welded in there.
And a few up here. I might do one here. That like touches right there, so.
Alright. Whatever you think's best, man. Better.
Whatever you say, Poppy.
Got her all cleaned up.
There you go.
Yo, is anybody's hands not greasy? Yeah, why? I like them shorts, boy.
Get in there, boy.
About to sell you an eighth for fucking $100. That's what, your cigarettes?
Yeah. Thanks, boy.
Why'd you put your hand in there anyways?
I had to grab my lighter out anyway.
You're tired.
He just wanted you to put your hand in.
You're just trying to get me to grab the donger. We're brothers, man. You're fucking weird. You're fucking weird, bro. Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Just the distance it travels, it'll tear up the wire and shit traveling through there. It just gets all gnarly looking and shit.
Kind of like Chris's face.
I just drank actual alcohol and liquor.
Four Locos are the real man's.
Actual alcohol.
Fuck that, that's bitch shit.
Nah.
That's what you get when
That's
you're
like drink two and you're gone.
Yeah, that's when you're like 17 and shit your life.
Bye, Felicia.
You act like you're 17. You still listen to My Chemical Romance.
So?
Got him, dough.
Oh, definitely sounds different.
Yeah, it sounds like, cause it's so small.
The wire?
Yeah, and it's just fragile.
Oh yeah, rolled up in their bitch ass wire.
That's why they like spool guns.
Wait, what's a spool gun exactly?
It's where basically the spool is like right here.
Oh.
And so it's right at
It feeds right
it doesn't
into it.
have all this drag. Fucking bitch.
Did it do it again?
Yep.
No. Oh yeah, it did.
Did it?
Yeah, you can see it in there all fucked up. Damn, let's see if we can get this.
3 times a charm, motherfucker.
Luke's going for a 4th time.
Can we edit the 3rd time's the charm out and
Yeah.
time the charm it again?
Third time's the charm. Oh, we got one more in there.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if she can get it.
Go, boy.
Alright, well this is what, the 5th time this fucking turd is. Luke got, what, 5 tacks in there? Shit.
Like 5 guys.
5 guys. I know a couple chicks who, it's a good night. Yeah, she's in there. She ain't going nowhere. Got the little flappy doors down here. Mine do. Too far away.
What? Too far?
Not too bad.
At first,
Come
though.
over here. Let me spin
Well,
this.
it's hard, yeah. A little too slow?
Yeah,
she
I
melted
think.
down
Yeah,
too much?
Oh, yeah, she
melting.
did. Hey, you're getting her though a little bit. That's better than mine looked for sure.
Yeah, she gets
Okay.
a little wild.
Alright, so Luke stopped by. Obviously got this bad boy done. Now I can put the other belt on real quick. Got that one on. It's essentially the same thing. Oops. Pretty much just put this bad boy right there. Slowly the tension will go down. And you let it go. And bam, your belt's on. Pop your caps back on. And there you go, belts and water pumpered. Pull out the brake booster. Got the belts and water pump on. Painted the one pulley. Good enough for now. Tina wants to do the valve cover and stuff like that. I'll let her do that. Change out some hoses, but the next one we'll probably be putting the oil pan on. Maybe doing the pedals. She started doing the pedals, and then we realized that since it's an airbag car, there's a lot more to it than just the fucking like 4 or 6 bolts that you usually have to do. There's some up in the steering column area and you cannot get to them. So got on the old Googles there, which I guess I should have did beforehand, and I guess you just take the pedals over and just swap the whole brake pedal and clutch pedal over and do it that way. So I guess we're just gonna do that. See, this is the airbag one. You can see it's got this big bulky side piece here, and the two we can't get to are up here, and this is where the steering column and shit is. You can see this is a non-airbag version. It doesn't have all that. Got the 2 here and the 4 down here. So yeah, we're just gonna swap over the clutch and brake pedals and do it that way. We already got the brake booster and stuff. We'll probably paint this too before we put it on, just so it looks a little nicer. You know, the AKG Motorsports for the steering rack there, the spacers. Oh yeah, we gotta put on the center support bearing. Couple of little things, but yeah, we're basically ready to get it in. So the next video, or next 2 videos, she will be in there. We're gonna get started, and hopefully Tina can do a fucking burnout or something, eh? So yeah, if you want to see more, let us know. You know, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate it. See you guys.